Hello everyone. Today I want to show you my fire alarm collection. That's just my brother being a dorkhead.
No, you guys are dorkheads watching Hayden.
Shut up.
Fine.
Holden's being cute. But anyways, I'll start off with the alarms. My collection. So first up I got this Gentex Commander 3. Model is GEH24-R. This is the only device I have in my collection. It's not related to Honeywell. Gentex is its own company. System Sensor is a division of Honeywell. Firelight is a Honeywell company. This is just a Honeywell. It just pops off like you would. Hunter, stop! Just pop off like a normal Commander would. Take the alarm off. American made. It said on the box it was assembled in the USA. That's pretty good. I like American made products. This is my Firelight BG12 with the hex lock. There's 2 terminals on the back. Wish there was 4 so I could hook up this guy and this guy. Forgot to flip the switch. Sorry if my brothers are being annoying, but yep, there you go. Firelight BG12. Now it's locked. Now it's open. See? My Honeywell pull station, the lock is worn out, so I'm gonna probably replace it with a key lock or get a screw in there.
You don't say the D word also. Hey!
Kind of like a simplex one. Button, pigtail wires. I'll pull that one more time.
So
Both of you are ruining my video.
and why have a broken cup?
There we go. This is my System Sensor SW Spectral Grid Advanced. This is actually my first alarm. This is my first pull station. I got the same day as this, but I received this one first. This is my first device in my collection. Multi-candela Spectral Grid Advanced. I do have the box for it, I believe. This was called a Commander 2, but I call it a Commander 3. And after I show you the last one, I'll show you the boxes. Pretty cool. Last but not least is, I named this one Snowy. This is Snowy Jr. This is a System Sensor mini horn. This is model APA 151. They call this a remote enunciator, but it's just like a mini horn. That is what it is. It's like the advanced mini horn. It's just like the advanced mini horn. So there you go. And here's the green exit sign. And there's the red one in there. He's hiding in there. I'll pull him at the point where you can see him. There it is. Now I use my smoke alarms and here, grandfather clock. I'll show you the the boxes. Here's my 2 back boxes. They're homemade back boxes, my wires. There's the Advances box and there's the Gentex's box. This is a panel I'm working on. This is just a picture of the before I received it. So there you go, guys. I have to cut this off for my brothers, okay?